Are you installing your VEP tag yourself? Did you know that there's a way to self-install it on your car windscreen and still get it verified and activated successfully? In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to do that, and also why you shouldn't do it. As you might already know, there are two ways to install your VEP RFID tag. First is to have it installed on the inside of your car windscreen. Second is to self-install it on your car's left headlamp. Obviously, having it installed on the inside of your car windscreen is much better. It won't be affected by the rain or be at risk of getting peeled off or stolen. But to have it installed on your windscreen, you have to go to Malaysia and get the vendor TC Sense to install it for you. If you're getting your tag via post by right, your only choice is to self-install it on your headlamp. Why? As far as I know, the key reason is that the vendor needs to test that the tag is readable through your car windscreen. So if you're installing it yourself, obviously there's no way the vendor can test the readability of your tag, so by right, you have to install it on your headlamp. And if you decide to be a rebel and self-install on your windscreen anyway, it won't pass the verification check, which means it won't get activated. But by left, apparently there's a workaround, a way to get around that. Now, before I proceed any further, it is my duty to say I don't recommend doing this at all because, well, I'm Singaporean and we just follow law. I mean, we even have a movie about that. But okay, I digress. The point is, what I'm about to share is for informational and educational purposes only. I strongly advise you not to do it. With that very important disclaimer out of the way, time for the workaround. And it's really as simple as it gets. One of my friends who opted for his tag to be mailed to him was really against installing it on his headlamp. So he sprayed a bit of water on his headlamp, then simply placed his unopened VEP RFID tag on the headlamp. The tag is made of plastic, so just a bit of water helps it stick to the headlamp, albeit temporarily. The first time he tried this, it did not pass verification because, as you can see in the photo, it's obvious that the tag is unopened. But my friend, he just wouldn't give up. So he tried a second time, and this time he trimmed the edges of the unopened tag so that it would look like he did open the tag. He stuck it onto his headlamp with a bit of water again, took a photo of it, and submitted it for verification, and amazingly, the second time around, it passed. As soon as his tag was activated, he then installed it on the inside of his windscreen, this time permanently. And if you're wondering whether he encountered any issues paying the tolls with his VEP tag, well, I asked him, and on his recent trip to Malaysia, no issues. He was able to cross the border, no questions asked. So I'm glad that everything went well for my friend, and hopefully that will continue to be the case. But all things considered, I still wouldn't advise you to do it. By right, if your tag is being sent to you via mail, you're supposed to self-install it on your headlamp, so just do that. Just follow law. By left, well, as some of us like to say in Singapore, you can do anything you want, just don't get caught.